Good, exciting times for VAC Innovation at the moment. A lot of investment into the business, not only with new product lines, but on the facility here as well. We're looking at expanding the offices up into the area where we're standing now. The downstairs part of the building then will expand for more storage of more of the product lines we're bringing in, including new freezer storage for tooling prepregs and other prepregs in the future, etc. Over the next couple of months, we're going to see quite a transformation of the building, which will be a nicer working environment for everybody as well.
It will be,
and just give us more room for the expansion plans.
Yeah, it's great because it adds all that extra space downstairs, all those office space that we're currently using as offices. Opens up all of that for small consumables and other bits and pieces that we currently can't offer because we don't have storage for it. You know, and storage space is a massive thing for us because unlike some other suppliers, we have that next day delivery. We like to have it on site so we can offer it next day. So we're not having to wait for suppliers to send it to us to then get it out to customers. We want to order, and sometimes it's out same day for next day delivery, morning deliveries, those sorts of things. So having that expanded space allows us to hold more stock so we can get it out to customers as quickly as possible, which is a big part of our USP.
It is, and particularly with prepreg coming online, etc. You know, those materials have to be handled very carefully. Stock rotation is important for shelf life, etc. Particularly with the fast curing HX56 range from Toray, that has to be managed well. So having the facility here to have stock ready to go to customers either overnight or same day in some cases, and particularly when they're ordering online via the website VAC Innovation Shop that will be up and running in coming weeks.
Yeah, that's an exciting thing as well, isn't it, to get the online shop up and running so that even when people are working those late hours and you know, as much as we'd love to be reached 24 hours a day, we can't be reached 24 hours a day. So having that option to just jump online and order it and then come in the morning and Phoebe, who's great in the office, or Dalton can get those orders straight processed, get them out, and potentially same day deliveries or next day deliveries, depending on location, obviously.
Exactly, and it gives us another string to our bow in that we give the customer an easier way of ordering. And as you say, if it's out of hours and they're thinking, oh, I've got that job tomorrow, and we haven't got quite enough material in, or we didn't order the material because we didn't hear from our customer until this morning, they can do it and be assured that it's coming straight out of stock from our facility, without having to wait for any longer lead time. So it's exciting times. It's nice to see the expansion going on. It's nice to see the upgrades to the building, both from a point of view of the practicalities of storage, because this is creating more storage, as well as better office space and conference facilities for customer visits and such like. It will make the whole process more efficient and easier to access for our customer base.
Yeah, and once it's done, hopefully, never know, we might be able to host a coffee morning ourselves for the likes of MIA or someone like that, where we can show the new expanded facility and what we're doing with the place and have a nice big fresh office space.
Exactly.
So it'd be really good.
Yeah, I think so. We're looking forward to it and looking forward to sharing it with our customers.
Yeah.